Now we want to run the machine to see how it works. For this, let me put in these 1200 cubes. With this wide open process chamber, you have no issues quickly loading this box into the machine. In the first step, the parts are depowdered automatically. After the Powershot cleaning process is finished, the next step starts automatically. In this next step we have our Powershot surfacing process to create nice and fresh parts. At the end of the process, you have the possibility to unload the parts automatically. That was the live demo of our new Powershot Dual Performance. And now let us get back to future Julius.